Hello guys, in this video just going to explain how to turn off copyrighted music in PS2 Here Comes a Pain. Okay, so it's very simple. What you need to do is you need to go to this in-game options and here come to this. Okay, here come to BGM volume. By default it will be max. You can turn it off like this, and also the entrance BGM volume, that also if you're streaming, right, definitely you'll be having copyright issue, so you can turn it off. Volumes you can maintain as a max or something. You need to turn it off. So once done, right, you need to save it. Okay, you need to save it. For that you need to choose decision and then save and exit, and you need to save it the slot first. So it's saved in memory. Yes, I'm just confirming that. So it's saving now. So now when you play, you'll not be having any copyrighted music. See, no sounds. No sounds except copyrighted music. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much. Please provide comments and feedback to my uniform. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.